Hello and welcome to the Support Labs. Today I will demonstrate how to use our WhatsApp API panel and its features. Let's begin. So this is our website which you will get inbuilt for free. You can customize it as per your requirement and we also provide its source code. If you want white label, then that is also available. You can change any content you want, choose your plan and pricing as per your requirement, and also set limits on it. Let's start with the dashboard. And I'm already logged in here. So this is our dashboard and you can see how many users we have onboarded till date. You can see the number of users available, the number of contacts we have saved on this panel, as well as the number of campaigns we have run, and many other features which I will go through one by one. Let's begin. You can easily customize your theme from here. We currently offer three options, and whichever one you choose will appear automatically on your panel. We will input your SMTP details from Hostinger, and once it's saved, your users can easily reset their passwords and regain access to the accounts without any hassle. So this is where you put your support email, and from that we can get your SMTP ID. In user plan, you can customize your plan, any features you want, any limits for your users, as well as the pricing. For example, we have placed these limits for users where they have unlimited contacts, unlimited campaigns, but you can also set this to say 20,000 contacts. And if you want unlimited, you can just skip it to -1. You can also decide what price you want to give to your users, if you want to change their pricing plans, all that is available here. Okay, next I will show the payment settings. You can add your Stripe or PayPal, Razorpay, UPI, and even bank transfer is available. You can choose whatever option feels most feasible to you. This will be used when a customer needs to pay for your panel subscription, and you will be able to see their payment details here. You have to choose whichever currency you want to trade in the panel. Now, we use mostly INR for our panel because we made this for India, but you can choose US dollar if you need it, Singaporean dollar. There's no issue in that. In general settings, you can view and modify your website details. You can change your logo, your favicon, customize the panel name from here, and add your website description. This is where you add the support email for your website and the contact details. You can also change the front end image from here, and you can change the QR code that you see on the website page from here. After changing everything, click on Save to confirm your changes. The embedded sign-up feature is a very important thing. It is useful if you want to become a MetaTech partner. If you apply for this with proper documents, a MetaTech partner, and then when you onboard any customer, it will be a hassle-free process completed in about 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, if you go with the manual onboarding without being a MetaTech partner, it takes about 4 hours to set up. Next, we move to languages. You don't need to change anything here. In pages, you have to edit your website's privacy policy and terms and conditions page. Update it whenever you take the panel, and you can also change it later. In users, the details of whoever registers will show up. So what happens is, if I log out from here, I will get this panel, and if I click on register, I get this form. Now, if I fill it with my details, then they will create an account for me. Let me show you. So I have my profile ready. Now that I have registered as a user using my credentials, I can search for my profile here and I will be able to see all my plan details, including when it was created, whether the plan is active or not, and all that. In the user plans part, you can see which user has paid using manual format or paid automatically, and you can see their plan status, whether it is active or not, the monthly or quarterly or yearly charges they're using, which plan they are on, when was the plan created, when it expires, and each and every detail regarding the panel of your particular user. So overall, this is our panel. This is the dashboard. From here, you can see how many total messages have been sent, how many received. Overall stats are available. This is the user panel. This is what the user sees. And whenever you take the panel, it is mandatory that you do the setup. So let's go to setup. In basic setup, you have to put all these details such as your vendor title, your address line. So after you have done putting in all these details, click on save to confirm changes. Okay, now let's move to WhatsApp setup. In WhatsApp setup, you can either do it through embedded sign-up feature, or the second process is by going to the developer account, that is the Facebook developer account, creating an app there for your business, verifying the business, and providing all the details. After you have done all these schemes, Meta will verify your business and you can start getting messages on your WhatsApp. Same thing with Facebook. You put up your page ID, your page name, all these details, your Facebook app setup, and then Meta will do this Facebook setup for you. And then we have the Instagram setup where you put your account ID, account name, and Instagram setup will also be done. When you take the panel for the first time, we will explain everything to you, what and how it has to be done. So let's move to chatbot settings. In chatbot settings, you can either make an AI chatbot or you can even integrate ChatGPT. When your WhatsApp setup is done, you will get your WhatsApp messages on your API number from here, and you don't need to open WhatsApp all the time to text your customers back. You can just use the API panel here. And if there are multiple customers, you can even assign a chat to a particular agent. Like here, we have these agents. Agents are your employees who will be talking to your particular customer. Same with Facebook chat. Here, if you connect to Facebook, then your Facebook messages will come here, and same with Instagram. You can reply to your Instagram text from here. In contacts, we add contacts using groups. Like here we have contacts, and you can either import them in bulk, or you can do single manual contact adding. If you have like one, two, like a small amount of contacts, you can import. You have to put up your Excel file here, and the format for that file is available. Okay, in templates, you can create marketing and utility message templates for your campaigns by using some simple steps. You go here, create a new template. You choose a name, say A1. You choose a language code for your template. It can either be English or any language in which you want your message. You have to select a category for your message, and it is very important that you choose the correct message category, as having a different category to your message content may get it rejected from Meta. So if you're choosing a marketing category message, you make marketing message, puja offer, for example. And this is a header option. You can choose a text, image, video, document, or location, or even a media card carousel. It is not mandatory, but it helps if you are running a campaign. It will appear at the top of your text like welcome to the support labs. This is how it will show up as your header part. Okay. Next we have the body, and footer is also optional. Now your photo shows up. You can even add buttons if you want. Quick reply, phone number button. You have to put appropriate text for this, like call us, button text, call us. And you give a number with your country code. When giving the country code, you do not need to add 0 or plus. You just do 91 for India, and you can do it according to your own country, and you put your own number, and then you can submit the template, and Meta will approve it in about 1 to 2 minutes. After you have done making a template, you can do campaigns. As we have already done some campaigns, I will show you the dashboard. So let's choose this campaign named MK, and this is the dashboard. You can see that we have 4 total contacts to whom we send this campaign, total number of single ticks and double ticks delivered, how many users read it, how many were in processing, how many were accepted by Meta, and how many failed. So let's come to WhatsApp orders. What WhatsApp order? When you open WhatsApp, then at the top there is a catalog. After clicking on catalog, when you add to cart, buy now, and then the product details will come. After that, you have to give the delivery address, and after submitting, payment option will come. After doing payment, those who have paid, it shows here as paid. This one is paid, and the other ones are awaiting payment and pending. So you can see all the order details that your customer places through your WhatsApp channel on here. Shopify. Shopify is useful for your business if you want automation. You can add your Shopify details. You have to put your website and business details, and Shopify will set up for you, from which your orders, if you want a greeting message to be sent after an order has been placed, all this will be sent to the customer. If you have a WordPress website, you can do WooCommerce integration. It will be useful for your business. In integrations, orders, and payments, here you will have to add payment gateway. Razorpay integration is done in this. We have done a Razorpay integration. And if you want a third-party CRM or from somewhere you want to send messages, then that also you can use. You can do API integration. And if you want to use Google Sheets, for example, when a number comes up on Google Sheet and you want to decide what message to go to them, you can check it from here and send them a message. You can also use chatbots for your business. You can either make your own chatbot, or you can use ChatGPT one using the Flowmaker. Agents are your employees, and from here you can decide their role, what permission to give to them, whether to give access to messages, to administration, or to chat. You can decide. Like for example, this particular agent, my agent, they have permissions for messaging and assign chat and WhatsApp orders. And if I want to give them any extra permissions like campaigns, I can allow that from here. That is how it works. This QR code is the QR code of your business. It will upload automatically after you have taken our panel. You don't need to set up anything manually here. In my plan, you can check what plan you're currently using, what features it has, and you can change if you want. If you want the premium plan or the ultimate plan, you can choose accordingly and pay from here using UPI. So this is the user dashboard. This is how the users their panel. And if you want any help on it, or if you're facing any issues, then you can contact us. We'll help you out. Thank you.